This is the interpolation calculator, linear, which finds an unknown y value between two known data points. Let's look at the input fields. First, we enter our two known points. For the first point, we have first point x0 and first point y0. For the second point, we have second point x1 and second point y1. Finally, we enter our target x value, which is the x-coordinate where we want to find the corresponding y value. For this example, let's say we're analyzing sensor data. I'll enter 10 for first point x0 and 25 for first point y0. For our second point, I'll enter 20 for second point x1 and 45 for second point y1. Now I want to find the y value when x equals 15, so I'll enter 15 as my target x value. After clicking Calculate Interpolated Value, the calculator uses linear interpolation to determine the y value at our target x position. The result represents the proportional value that lies on the straight line connecting our two known points. This method assumes a linear relationship between the points, making it ideal for engineering applications where data changes at a constant rate. Find the link in the description below.